In this video, I will take you through the widely used spinback technique. Now this technique is great, however, be careful not to overuse it because overusing it can make your mix sound a little bit bland. Now, I've loaded two tracks over here. This is the track that's coming out, so this is the track I'm going to use the spinback on. This is the track that's coming in. Now I'm going to do something similar to the technique I showed you during the R&B and hip hop video. I'm going to have the incoming track's volume all the way turned up, but I'm not actually going to press play on my incoming track until I fade the outgoing track, which I'm going to spin back, down. So volume on both tracks up, but only push play on the new track when you turn down the outgoing track. I'm also going to apply a little bit of an echo to the outgoing track, but you only want a tiny amount of echo applied here. You don't want it to be too audible, so I'm not going to go anywhere beyond 9 o'clock. All right, finally, the most important part is when you actually spin back. So I'm going to actually spin back on 8.3 or 8.4 depending on the tempo of the track. So if I was playing quite a slow track at around 90 to 100 BPM, like a hip hop track, I would activate the spin back on 8.4. If I'm playing a faster tempo track, like a house track, I'm going to activate the spin back on bars 8.3, which allows the track to spin back for 2 beats. And then on the one, I turn down the volume and I push play on my new incoming track. With that out of the way, let me begin the demonstration. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2, 3, 4, 8, 2, 3, 4, 1. And we're fully into the new track. Just like that. You saw how the echo was barely there, but it was there enough to just help make the fade out that much smoother and not as abrupt as it would be without. Also, I applied just a touch of filter because I don't feel like spinning back the really low frequencies sounds too good, especially with big club speakers. It can kind of add quite a lot of noise to your spin back, which I personally am not a huge fan of. But go ahead and practice this, experiment with the filter, experiment with the echo, and I'll see you in the next video.